starting to get tricky. Once you stack this many stones up, it's very hard to keep it stable, so I can't go much higher than this before I got to get out the ladder, but this is what it looks like. Don't try this at home unless you're ready to meet God. It is dangerous. That's the way we do it at the Rainbow. Okay, time for the capstone, the trickiest, the most dangerous of all. Thank you, Great Spirit, for my divine protection as we create art and beauty at the rainbow. Whoa, here we go. One touch, capstone come down. Time I had it hit my thigh, bounce, hit my heel, tore my heel half off, gave me a contusion, almost killed me. I've had many other such experiences. I gotta very carefully take the ladder away. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18! The archetype of the moon in tarot, self-reflection. So I guess somehow that's a picture of me. Stone Buddhas, baby. Gotta love it. No tea replacement, just nature, good food, good exercise, and living in the Tao, baby. Oh. Okay, now that I've finished building the big stack, you can see I've built a starburst pattern. And one of the ways to think of a rock stack like this, which is not only metaphor, but actually quite accurate, is that it is like a giant acupuncture needle. And because of the alternation of different types of crystals and stones, without a long explanation, it actually produces a combination of piezoelectric and what could be called bioelectric energy. It's picking up the energy of the sun, moon, the stars, everything in the environment. And so my next step is to build a stone circle around it, and then it will actually broadcast through the whole garden just like a big sun. I'll show you that as we go. Okay, there you can get a sense of what it looks like at the ground level. And if you were standing here and you were sensitive enough, you will feel the energy oscillate, usually from the base stone up a stone or two, then down, and then up a next stone, and then down, and then sometimes it'll go up a 3 or 4 stones, then come down and come out through the starburst, and it might go all the way out to the edge of the circle. And depending on where the sun's at and environmental energies, it changes its behavior, but every now and then it gives a huge burst of chi, almost like a chi explosion. It's really cool to feel. So hope you enjoyed the process with me. That's how we keep ourselves healthy at the Rainbow House. Aho!